From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with aches and pains from a bad night's sleep? The 3 inches mattress topper full-size breathable filled from Whispering is here to change that. This game-changing mattress topper is designed to provide the ultimate sleeping experience, with its deep pocket that goes all the way around your mattress, keeping it securely in place even if you move around a lot. You'll feel the soft and cool fabric against your skin, and the fluffy fill is breathable, making it perfect for hot sleepers who tend to overheat at night. The result is a cool and comfortable sleep, with no overheating, just a restful night's sleep. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its ability to provide a great night's sleep, and it's easy to see why, with its easy setup and machine-washable design, making maintenance a breeze. The entire topper can be tossed in the washing machine and tumble-dried on low for 20 minutes, or let it sit outside for 24 hours to restore its full fluffiness. It's that easy. Whether you're a side sleeper, back sleeper, or stomach sleeper, this mattress topper is designed to provide the support and comfort you need, and with its ability to fit snugly on mattresses up to 21 inches deep, it's perfect for beds of various heights. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to a deep and restful sleep. With the 3 inches mattress topper full-size breathable filled, you'll be sleeping like a baby in no time, and waking up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated, ready to take on the day. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.